Welcome to Unit Network. Managing your profile settings is simple and organized. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of updating your profile, connecting your social media, linking wallets, and managing login credentials. Let's get started. To access your user profile dashboard, select the User Profile dashboard to manage and update your account details effortlessly. The dashboard is divided into three main panels: Profile, Social, and Wallet. Each panel serves a distinct purpose, allowing you to manage your personal information, social interactions, and financial transactions seamlessly. You can personalize your profile by updating details such as your profile picture color, name, username, location, personal website, hourly rate, and bio. Additionally, you can share your goals or dreams. After making the desired changes, click Save to successfully update your profile information. Navigate to the Social panel to link your social media accounts to your Unit Network profile. This integration enhances your profile's visibility and facilitates connections with others. Open the Wallet panel and begin by verifying your address to ensure secure transactions and account accuracy. To do this, open your MetaMask, copy your address, and paste it as prompted. Next, navigate to the Credentials section and input your email address, followed by confirming your password. Then click on Unit Wallet and add your talisman address. Afterward, you can select MetaMask Wallet to connect to your MetaMask account. Additionally, you can check your sub-account for further details and management. Congratulations! You've successfully managed your profile settings on Unit Network. Whether updating your profile, linking wallets, or securing your account, you now have full control over your personalized settings. Enjoy a seamless experience on Unit Network and stay connected with your digital assets.